So many people have asked me about the smoothie that I make every single morning, and I do a variation of this, but this is essentially the smoothie. I love it. It keeps me full, keeps me going. It has lots of nutrients in it. It's fabulous. Tastes good. It's good for you. I've started out with a half cup of cold brew in my blender, and then this is going to make 2 smoothies. I need a full cup and a half of liquid. So this is almond milk. Use your milk of choice. So that I have a cup and a half right there of liquid. And then I add my protein powder. Use whatever protein powder you like. This is a vegan protein powder that helps keep me full and gives me some amazing benefits. This is raw cacao, loaded with antioxidants, so a heaping spoonful of raw cacao. And then greens. You must have greens in this smoothie. They're good for you. It's kind of like you're having a ginormous blended salad in the morning. I'm using baby organic spinach. Kale is also great for this. And I'm just gonna kind of stuff in some handfuls. Usually it's like 2 huge handfuls. And you just kind of stuff it in there. It's gonna blend it all up nicely. Right now, I'm adding a little bit of turmeric. Turmeric is great for inflammation, reducing inflammation. And cinnamon regulates blood sugar. And the turmeric and the cinnamon together, they just balance each other out so well. And then frozen berries. Today I'm using cherries and strawberries. I often use frozen blueberries, but frozen just gives this a great texture. Throw that in. Then I need a little bit of honey. It's not absolutely necessary. It's really sweet enough, but I just like the little edge that the honey gives. This is a local organic honey, raw honey. And then I have ice. I like the additional texture that ice gives the smoothie. And you blend it up. Okay, that's all blended. These are so good. This is the chocolate mocha one. Frequently, I will also make a matcha ginger mango smoothie. Those are really amazing. But you can mix up the flavors according to what you like. Try not to make a mess here. But this is really our favorite. This is the one I make most. There. So good. Smoothie time.